Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Snowball Calculator for wealth building. First, a Dividend Income Snowball Calculator helps investors estimate how dividend income can grow over time when dividends are reinvested and future payouts begin generating even more income. In simple words, it shows how a small starting amount can gradually turn into a much larger income stream through compounding. To understand why this matters, it is important to see that compounding is one of the most powerful forces in investing. When dividends are reinvested, they buy more shares, and those extra shares can produce additional dividends in the future. As a result, the income stream may begin to grow faster and faster over time, which is why many long-term investors find this strategy attractive. Next, the first step is to enter the starting investment. This is the amount of money you begin with in your portfolio. For example, the calculator may start with an initial investment of $10,000. Although this may seem like a simple number, it forms the base from which the entire snowball begins. After that, the second step is to add the dividend yield. This represents the percentage of income your portfolio generates each year from dividends. For instance, if the average dividend yield is 4%, then that yield determines the current dividend income your starting capital can produce. Therefore, the dividend yield becomes an important input in the calculation. Then, the third step is to add the contribution amount. This means deciding how much extra money you will keep investing regularly, such as every month or every year. For example, adding $300 per month can help the snowball grow much faster. In other words, the combination of fresh contributions and reinvested dividends can significantly accelerate the compounding process. In addition, the fourth step is to choose reinvestment. Reinvesting dividends means using the dividend income to buy more shares instead of spending it immediately. Because those extra shares can also generate dividends, the snowball effect becomes stronger over time. Consequently, reinvestment is one of the main reasons dividend income can expand so effectively. Furthermore, the fifth step is to estimate dividend growth. Many companies increase their dividends over time, and this can make a major difference in the long run. For example, if your dividend growth rate is 5% annually, then the income produced by the portfolio may rise faster than it would from yield alone. So, dividend growth adds another layer of power to the snowball effect. Afterward, the sixth step is to select the time horizon. This is the number of years you plan to stay invested, such as 5, 10, 20, or even 30 years. The longer the time horizon, the more opportunity compounding has to work. Therefore, patience is a key part of building a large dividend snowball. Moreover, the calculator can also be understood through a simple formula idea. Future dividend income depends on starting capital, new contributions, reinvested dividends, dividend growth, and time. This means the goal is not only to build a bigger portfolio value, but also to create rising income year after year. For example, if an investor starts with $10,000, adds $300 per month, earns a 4% dividend yield, and benefits from 5% annual dividend growth over 20 years, the results can become very impressive. In this illustrative example, the estimated portfolio value may grow to around $160,000 to $190,000, while estimated annual dividend income may reach around $6,000 to $8,000. This shows how even modest numbers can grow substantially with time and discipline. At the same time, it is useful to understand what increases the snowball. Higher contributions can make it grow faster, while consistent reinvestment strengthens compounding. Likewise, choosing dividend growth stocks, staying invested for a longer time horizon, and remaining patient through both market ups and downs can all improve the outcome. Finally, a strong dividend income snowball plan should follow a simple checklist. That means starting early, investing regularly, focusing on quality dividend investments, reinvesting consistently, reviewing progress each year, and staying focused on the long term. Ultimately, the dividend income snowball grows when you combine starting capital, regular contributions, reinvestment, dividend growth, and patience, turning small income today into much larger income over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.